Welcome to Ruth's Garden and Kitchen. Today it's a small recipe. It's not very long recipe. It's very short recipe, but it's very important recipe because we make a lot of dishes with this. We're gonna make paneer today with the milk, and you can buy the paneer in the stores. I don't know how old it is, and it's kind of expensive too. So it's very easy to make paneer at home. So I'm going to show you a very easy way to make. You don't need too much stuff. You need only 2 ingredients. You need milk and you need some lemon juice. I squeeze like a half a lemon juice. That's all you need is like a half a lemon juice. So, and with this paneer, you can make a lot of things like a palak paneer, matar paneer, paneer tikka, paneer masala. There's a lot of things you can make it like in the restaurants. They come asking, what do you want? Palak paneer, paneer masala, paneer tikka, paneer. So that's how I'm going to count it. So there's a lot of things you can make with the paneer, and especially is very good for the vegetarians who don't eat meat. Instead of meat, like a butter chicken we make, it's a paneer chicken, paneer butter you can make it. So it's a very good recipe for vegetarians. Instead of meat, they use paneer. Paneer is a cottage cheese. So we just needed milk and lemon juice. I have a cheesecloth and with a strainer, and there's a pot. That's it. That's all we needed. So I'm gonna first pour milk in this pot. So we're gonna boil the milk first, and we're gonna do the rest of the process. Okay, this is 2 cups, our American 2 cups, and in Indian, this is Indian usually use liters. This is a half a liter. So I'm gonna use 1.5 liter. I mean, this is 6 cups of milk. Okay. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Okay. 2 cups. And 4. And 6 cups, 1.5 liter. Okay, we are going to go boil this one. Maybe I can show you after this paneer. I'm making this paneer, so after I never did the paneer recipe. So after we make this paneer, so I can show you a lot of recipes. Paneer tikka, paneer masala, paneer, everything paneer. Okay, let's go boil this milk. Then I'm going to show you the rest of the stuff. Okay, let me go put the milk for the boiling. Okay friends, look, our milk is starting to boil. So now we're going to start adding lemon juice a little at a time, maybe 2 tablespoons or teaspoons. 2 teaspoons, we'll add a little bit at a time. So our milk will start curdling up. So I'll put some more. Don't put too much in one time. See, you already see that it's making, it's curdling up. It has some lumps in there. See how it's becoming lumpy? We have to boil until just get the clear liquid around it in here. Maybe I'll put a little bit more. I'm going to turn the stove off, and we will wait for a few minutes. See how the milk is separated with the water. That's going to be paneer. See, this is going to be the paneer. So see how yellowish liquid is there. That's why you want it. It took almost the whole half lemon in there. It's not That much actually is a small lemon. Okay, now we're going to strain this water. And here with this cheesecloth or maslan cloth in India, I think they use, or malmal ka kapda, with some thin material you can use to strain this milk. I have this cheesecloth. You can use anything. I put this little pan under there, cast iron pan, so that my milk don't burn. So, ouchie, it's not a good noise. Okay, let's see. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Ya Allah Rabbul Alamin. Alhamdulillah. Okay, I'm going to strain all this water. Okay. And hold this cloth, cheesecloth, from all the corners. Oops. Yow, it's hot. Where did you go? This got stuck somewhere. Okay. You have to strain all this water. Or you can hang it on the door lamp like this for a couple of hours if you want to. But it's very hot. So what I'm going to do is tie like this. Tight. Oh, wow. Okay. And we need to rinse this out. We can pour some water and rinse it out so all the lemon smell goes away from there. So now our paneer is not going to be lemony. So we're just going to break a little bit and pour some cold water. Okay. Okay. Paneer is cold. Okay, let me show you next step. But take this paneer. It's clean, it's washed. You can squeeze out all the water as much as you can. Okay, now what we will do is we'll just put it like this and in a plate or something. Put it a little loose knot, not very tight. Make it like this. this plate, another plate or something on it, heavy. And then put something heavy. I will put this water. This makes it heavy. And what paneer will set up. Okay, we'll see after an hour or something. We'll check our paneer, okay? Okay, our paneer is ready. And this water, we can throw it away. And then, let's see up here if there's any water. We can remove the water. Our beautiful soft paneer is ready. Okay, this water, after we take the solids from the milk and this water what is left in there, it is actually good to use for in different dishes. In the vegetable dish when you're cooking, or maybe when you're kneading the dough, you can use this water. It has a lot of protein in there. It's a whey protein, so we can use this water later for something. Okay, so you don't have to discard this. You can keep this water. Okay, our soft malai paneer is ready. You can cook anything with it, or also you can make desserts with it. You can make a lot of desserts with it. There's a lot of recipes for the desserts. Keep this recipe, so I'll keep on giving you paneer recipes, okay? If you want to eat this paneer as a snack, when you're boiling the water, you can put a little bit of black pepper and rosemary and some salt when you're boiling the water. So it's going to be very tasty. You can eat just like a snack, like a paneer cheese, you know. Okay, let's cut this and see whatever the shape you wanted. You can cut the paneer. See how nice, so soft. Our malai paneer is ready to cook. It's very easy, right? Yep, anyone can make it, paneer. We'll make palak paneer tomorrow. So I'll give you the recipe. Very soft, very nice. There's no lemon flavor or anything in there. You can use this for anything, okay? You can cook anything with it. Okay. If you like my recipes, please click like and share, subscribe with your family and friends. It's for free. It's not gonna cost you nothing. Okay. I'll see you in next video. I post every week one video, so you'll get every week you're gonna learn every week some new dish. So okay, you stay with me, okay, and subscribe my channel. Don't forget to do that. Okay, bye.